There's a lot of talk about belief this time of the year, but I feel like belief is such a vital part of having a side hustle or being a solopreneur. You've heard me say, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do before, and we're going to talk about how belief is such an essential aspect of not only dreaming big, but also reaching your goals, creating the business you desire, and getting to the next level. It's about pushing past the results that you're currently achieving and reaching for something even greater in your business. In today's podcast episode, we're going to dig deeper into the belief that you have not only for yourself, but for your business as well. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant. The belief that you have in yourself and what you and your business can do is key to moving your success past your current level and on to a higher level of success. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. One of my favorite parts of my business is when I'm talking with my clients and they tell me all about the dreams that they have for their business. They talk about where they want their business to go, as well as their overall vision. When they dream big, they have all kinds of ideas for their business. They have the belief that they can accomplish anything they set their mind to. It's pure excitement. But after time, this belief can start to dwindle and they start to lower their expectations. When they lower their expectations, they lower the level in which their business can grow. This is why I want to talk to you today about making sure you hold on to the belief that you have for your business during all the ups and downs that you might experience in your business. Throughout this podcast episode, I want you to ask yourself, what is the next level that you want to reach in your business? When do you want to get there? Can you see that it's possible for you? Because if you believe, it can be 100% possible. When you're working towards accomplishing your dreams, your big business goals, or maybe even your life goals, you know the impact that you want to make on not only your life, but potentially the impact of others' lives as well. Maybe you want to create a wealthy lifestyle, or you want to work 3 or 4 days a week while still maintaining your overall income goals. When you do this, you need to not only have the right foundation or plan set in place, but you also need to have a level of belief that you can reach these goals and surpass where you currently are in your business or life. There are times when business owners have the belief that they can achieve their goals, but as time goes on, they can lose this belief or they change their goals or dreams based on the outcome that they're seeing in their business. But I want you to know that whenever you're pursuing a dream or a goal, it's easy to see the challenges that you're facing and take that failure as a sign to lower your expectations. It's normal for you to allow doubt to creep in and cause you to question your belief. I want you to think about this for a minute. If you lower your expectations, you'll never reach that big goal. You'll start believing that you can reach these lower expectations, and your belief in your higher expectations disappears. You're telling yourself that you don't have enough belief that you can achieve your big dreams. It gets harder and harder to show up in your business and more challenging to execute your plans for your big dreams when you don't believe you can reach them. I know this can be difficult, but I want you to continue to believe in your big dreams. It's going to require you to grow as an individual and as a business owner and really work on evaluating what is working in your business and what you can do more of. You can look into what isn't working in your business, but I don't want you to dwell on this. Make improvements and move forward by learning from your mistakes and figure out what you need to start doing better so that you can continue reaching for your highest belief. Don't allow yourself to move further from your dreams or your goals by lowering your expectations. What you focus on is where you will go. Think about when you're driving. If you don't focus on the road or where you want to go, you'll likely veer off the path you originally set out to go. So you need to stay focused on the right path to get where you want to go. I want you to believe that you can reach your goals. I want you to believe that you can reach the next level in your personal life and your business. I want you to choose to believe in yourself. I want you to believe that you can move forward. I want you to believe that you can achieve more than the current level that you currently have in your business. You have full control over the results that you achieve. It's essential that you believe. You will create the results based on your actions. You need to have belief regardless of your past results or what you've currently achieved. Sure, there may be risks that you need to take, but you need to evolve and change yourself so that your business can evolve and change as well. Think about your impossible goal. Stretch beyond who you currently are. Does this bring you excitement and anticipation? Think about what it will feel like or what it will mean to you when you reach these goals. What will your life look like when you achieve them? Envision what your future self and your future business will be like right now. Today, think about every aspect of how you feel as your future self or your future business. Spend time doing this every day. Direct your thoughts and your belief in the ability that you can achieve these dreams. Open up the capacity to reach your next level. Your results will be based on the level of belief that you have and how much time you spend in this belief. When you align your strengths and what you really want to do with your business, the possibilities are endless. When I work with clients, I help them work on their vision, the dreams that they have for their business, see their potential, and just how possible it is for them to reach their goals. Imagine having a system in place where you spend less time buried in paperwork and more time doing what you love. That's where I help my clients. They're able to have proper processes in place, understand why they're following through with these processes, and they have more peace of mind when it comes to their business. Striking a balance between the demands of running a business and maintaining a fulfilling personal life is an art. It's about creating an environment where you can thrive and support the lifestyle you want. By being proactive and setting up efficient processes, you can ensure a smoother, more enjoyable year-end, and you'll be prepared to file any necessary filings with the IRS. By working with me, you'll change more than just your bookkeeping processes. Like many of the clients I've worked with, you'll go from not knowing how to get through all the stressful situations or being unprepared to being totally in control of exactly what you're choosing to get done at the time you want to have it accomplished by, all while knowing you're doing enough and you're able to enjoy your business and your personal life. I help clients just like you with strategy, mentorship, and coaching. When you work with me, you'll show up much more differently than you do today. And after all, this is ultimately what you want in your life, right? Come and join me. When I work with clients throughout the year, they're able to reduce their stress and overwhelm, understand how to master their small business finances, develop solutions to grow their bottom line, and create a work-life balance that they truly enjoy. I encourage you to take the next step by signing up for a free consultation where I'm going to teach you the first step in my process so that you can eliminate stress, overwhelm, or overworking in your professional or your personal life, while you continue to get done what matters so that you can live your life with joy, purpose, and a more fulfilled life. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions you have. I'd love to help you on this journey. You can schedule your free consultation or sign up for a coaching session today at financialadventure.com. As a certified public accountant and certified life coach, I can help you set goals and develop a plan that will allow you to lead a happier and more sustainable life in your business, your career, or your personal life. I'm here to guide you through the financial aspects of your business, as well as help you focus on the strategies that you need to follow to reach the success that you want to achieve in your professional or personal life, and stay committed so that you can continue to keep pushing forward and relieve the stress, anxiety, and overwhelm that you're currently feeling. Having an accountant and certified life coach like me can provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you simplify your life, which enables you to go back to enjoying your professional and your personal life. I work with business owners, accountants, and other financial professionals to create the actionable steps that they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals, while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm they feel from the pressure of owning a business, deadlines, and the workload they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. Sign up now. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I know there's something that you want in your life, and I can help you get it. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career and start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or your career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.